Hi everyone again, it's Andy here from Finlingo, looking at the CFA Total Recall app, which you can download from the Apple App Store at the moment. And within a week, we're hoping, cross fingers, that you'll also be able to download exactly the same app from the Google Play Store. So let's try to price then a zero coupon bond, a very popular question on the CFA Level 1 curriculum. So let's get down to reading 44, where this question lives, on with most of the other bond questions. So introduction to fixed income valuation, there we are. Let's go down to there. And then we have value of a zero coupon bond. Now we've priced the annual bond and semi-annual bond on other videos, so look out for those if you're interested in that. So let's get to a question then. Sorry, I keep using the screen. I've got to use the phone itself. So there we are. So Hatch Foods have issued £100 face value 5 years zero coupon bond. Employing a discount rate of 5.9%, what's the value of Hatch bond? So let's go for that then. Now, as always with bond questions, first thing we do is we clear the time value of money. So we do second, clear TVM, and now we're ready. And now I used to do it twice when I was doing these exams. So let's have a look then. What's N going to be? Now that's going to be 5 years. IY is 5.9%. And that's going to be the IY. The PV, we're trying to calculate the present value, the price of the bond, so that's irrelevant. The payment, it's a zero coupon bond. The clue is in the name. So this is a zero payment. And then the face value is £100. There we go. And then we press compute to PV to get the price, which will be negative because it's money coming in the other direction from money going the other way. Minus 75.079, what's the closest to that? I think it's C, which is the 2 decimal version of the 5 decimal thing on the calculator. So let's cross fingers as always. Yes! Oh, it's so good. Right, it's like a little hit of serotonin or dopamine or some chemical. It's brilliant. So it tells you exactly how to do the calculation there. And the keystrokes are the same as the ones I just put into my calculator myself, and we get the same price coming out. Now let's just we'll just stay on this question. Sometimes, rather weirdly, when the CFA examiner is feeling a bit mean, they might say, can you price this zero coupon bond in a semi-annual way? And that will make a difference. Let me just store that into memory. So I'll store that into 1. And this is weird, and they don't do this very often. Just assume it's annual unless they say otherwise. But they do sometimes say price it in a semi-annual way. So what we have to do for that is we take the 5.9% market yield, divide that by 2, and put that in as the interest rate, and we double the time period. So we got 5 years there, so it's going to be 10-year time period. And now we compute the PV, and if I store that in 2, store 2, and go back to recall 1, you can see there is a slight difference. And they will leave this answer, 75.08, as one of the answers, but because they've said, please use a semi-annual convention, the actual answer you should put in is 74.77. So just look out for that little wrinkle. They don't do it very often, but I have seen it, so watch out for that. Anyway, let's have a look at the next question. And there we go, and I'm going to let you do that one for homework. Zero coupon bonds do tend to drop quite a lot below the 100 face value because you're not getting any coupon. So if you get a price that's way above 100 or something, you've obviously misstepped along the way. Anyhow, I will go through another one of these calculations for you on a different bond pricing thing in another video, and I'll see you next time.